Now that the scope has been turned on, find right close to the volts per division on channel 1, right close to the knob, will be a switch, and it will say AC, ground, and DC. Put it into the ground position. So that's where we have it right now. That's why we're not displaying any kind of a signal on here except just a straight line. Set it under ground and use the position adjust right here and move the position adjust knob until the trace is right on the x-axis. And that's very good. Now that was with the channel 1, which is a vertical amplifier, so adjusting position will make my signal go vertically up or down. The other thing, once we got it set now, is we want to get the beam to start right here at the edge between this line and the middle line. We do that by moving what I call the horizontal position knob in the time base, since this is time along the x-axis. We want to move this position until we can get the beam to come right along this far left line, vertical line. So I'll adjust the position, and you can see where the beam is going. To the right and too far to the left. I want to bring that beam right up to the left line and stop.